who covers the IBPS SO prelims, IBPS PO prelims, SBI PO prelims, SBI clerk prelims, and IBPS RRB assistance prelims, and IBPS RRB officer prelims. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all 6 examination will be covered. So let's see so moving on the questions. Okay, here the first question is what are the teaser loan rates charged by bank? Here is a 4 option. The rate of interest, which is a completely changed in relation to other banks. In B, floating the rate of interest and charged by banks. In C, a low rate of interest in the initial period which goes subsequently. And option D is a higher rate of the interest in the initial period and which goes down the subsequently. So here answer is C. Okay, so we can see the low rate of interest in the initial period which is goes up subsequently. And the question is what are the teasers loan rates and charged by the banks? So we can say low rate of interest in the initial period which goes up the subsequently. Okay, now moving on in question number 2. What does mean an banking facility being offered by banks to their customers stand for? Option A, money. Option B, marginal. Option C is a message, and option D is a mobile phone. Then we can easily this is a very simple questions, and answer will be D. Okay, now moving on, and question number 3. Here, explain the term EMI as used in the banking and the finance sector, and easy monthly installment. Option A, easy monthly installment, and option B is equally monthly investment, and option C, equated to the monthly installment, and option D is equated to the mortgage investment. So here we answer will be C. Okay, equated to the monthly installment. Now moving on, question number 4. Bank rate is decided by which of the following? Option A, Reserve Bank of India, Government of India, and State Bank of India, and Security Exchange Board of India. So here will be answer should be A. Okay, Reserve Bank of India. That was the right answer of this question. It's a very simple general awareness. You will be just look at on the video and just memorize and quick revision for your upcoming examinations. Now moving on, next question on the question number 5. What does am in a banking facility being offered by the banking to their customer and stand for? Option A, money. Option B, marginal. Option C, message. Option D is a mobile phone. So answer will be D. So you can see it is a very simple, it is a very simple question and answer, but we are not aware much about these type of questions in our daily life, so we are unaware of these. So I am just started this series for your brush up your knowledge, so you can doing well in your upcoming examination. Now moving on, question number 6. Which of the following is true about the subprime crisis? And here is a 1, 2, 3 statement. That is a look at the first statement. It is the mortgage crisis, referring to the credit default by the borrowers, and second, subprime borrowers were those borrowers who were rated low and were high risk and borrower. And in 3, this crisis originated because of the negligence in the credit rating of the borrowers. So here is the 4 options, A, B, C, D. Then we can we can read all 3 these statement. Now we can see in option A is only 1, and option B of only 2, and option C 3. So we can see these all three statement all correct. So answer should be D, all 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next moving on. The next questions. Question number 7. At which of the following cities is the head office of Reserve Bank of India located? So we all know very well this is the head office of Reserve Bank India is situated in Mumbai. So here is the answer is A, which is showing in our slide. That is A, Mumbai, and so we can put the answer is A. Okay. So now moving on, question number 8. The reserve held by the commercial bank over and of the statutory minimum with the RBI are called. Option A is a cash reserve, or option B is a deposit reserves, and option C excess reserves, and option D is a momentary reserves. So here answer will be C. Now next moving on the another question, that is question number 9. Okay, banking in India is controlled by Reserve Bank of India, Union Finance Commission, sorry, and option C is a Union Minister of Finance, and option D is a Union Minister of the Commerce. So answer will be A, Reserve Bank of India. And question number 10, which is the country's third largest private sector lender whose name has been officially changed to the Axis Bank Limited? So here answer should be now we can see option SDFC, or A option, in B Lord Krishna Bank, in C Centurion Bank, and D UTI Bank. Then we can tick the UTI Bank. So answer will be D. Now moving on another question. Question number 11. National Corporate Social Responsibility Awards is instituted by the which ministry? So here is a four option: Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Human Resources and Development, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Ministry of the Commerce Industries. So answer will be A, because in questions he asked the National Cooperative and Social Responsibility Awards is instituted which ministry? So answer will be A, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And question number 12. The central government has formed a panel to suggest a measure to mitigate and the financial stress in the sector. Who is the head of this panel? So answer should be B, Rajiv Gauba. Okay. And question number 13 is who will represent India in SCO heads of the state meeting? So here is option for the, so look at the option A is Rajnath Singh, and B Narendra Modi, and C Nirmala Sitharaman, and D is Amit Shah. So answer will be A. And question number 14, two new IT initiatives, IDAS and Atiti, are launched by which of the following ministry? And here is the option: A is the Ministry of Defense, B Ministry of Corporate Affairs, C is the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, and D is Ministry of Finance. So here answer will be D, Ministry of Finance. Now moving on, question number 15. In which year was the Imperial Bank of India recharted as a State Bank of India? So here is the four option. Look at the A 1955, in B 1957, in C 1962, in D 1965. So answer is A, 1955. Now moving on, question number 16. Regional Rural Bank are sponsored by option A Nationalized Commercial Bank, option B Reverse Bank of India, option C State Bank of India, option D Government of India. So here answer is A, Nationalized Commercial Bank. Question number 17. Which of the following banks are inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi in 1919? Option A Bank of Maharashtra, option B Bank of Baroda, State Bank of Saurashtra, Union Bank of India. So answer will be D, Union Bank of India. Question number 18. Who has been appointed as the 14th Chief Justice of India? Justice A.R. Saroyi, Justice S.K. Sahni, Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice N.V. Ramanna. Answer will be C. Justice N.V. Ramanna. Okay. So answer should be C. Sorry, not D. Justice Sa Bobde. Okay. So thank you guys. I hope you will like it, and I make more question and answer series and upload it very early. So thank you guys. If you love my videos, so hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, then you will comment, then I will set out comment section. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you. Take care. Enjoy. And like, share, comments, and subscribe my channel Exam Universe, which help you to very in a very right way, because I uh, analysis and research many questions and put down these question and answers on my slides, which help you very a lot for your upcoming examinations. Thank you. So thank you. Bye bye. um, Go through my videos and get good marks in your competitive examinations. All the best, guys. Thank you.